Hello, this is the property. This is the front view. You see the birds. Let me zoom into the birds. And this is the front door. You walk into the house, into the living room area. To your right, you have a small bedroom. They have as an office. And to your left, you got the bathroom. It's a one full bathroom with a shower, a little space in here. And that's the laundry room. And I'll go over there in a little bit. You walk back into this, and then you have the master bedroom. This is the bigger bedroom. And you have a walk-in closet with two sections. And you step down, and you got the walk-in closet here. The other view of the bedroom. Then you have another bedroom that goes up there with that stairs. And this, you go to the right. You have a family room area with a fireplace. That goes into the dining room. I want to go into the kitchen area. And this, you go into the kitchen area. The kitchen has already been updated. You got all the appliances. And dining room. To your left, you have a, this is a conversion. I guess it could be another bedroom or living room, and then you have your laundry room with another toilet area, half bathroom over there. You go back in here. You have a little patio and your pool area. The owner's working on the pool. You got a very large area, all fenced in. But you have a huge, put it this way because I got somebody looking at it right now. And then you have a shed right there. And it goes all the way to behind those woods. So let me go back in here and show you the survey. And turn on the light. I gotta find what the light is. Let me see. Hold on. Nope, not there. There we go. That's better. And this is a copy of the survey, so if you're interested, just let me know. I'll be glad to send you a survey. Thanks for watching.